Whether you crack them like this or you crack them like that, you're gonna end up with a real mess. Hello from Wendy, and wait until you see what I have in store for you. The Easy Cracker. Now you can crack eggs quickly and effortlessly without all the drop shells. Whenever I'd crack an egg, there'd be a mess on the stove, a mess on the counter, and eggshells in my quiche. But not anymore. With my new Easy Cracker, cracking eggs is a snap. Just place the egg in the cradle and squeeze. How easy is this? Voila! How about having to separate egg whites from the yolk? That is never fun. The Easy Cracker comes with an egg separator, so it's never a problem. The special attachment makes it easy to whip up a healthy egg white omelet or use the yolk to make pudding. Woohoo! Stop picking those shells off of your hard-boiled eggs. Let the Easy Cracker do it for you. One squeeze removes the